Dr. Robert Holtzman is the attending neurosurgeon for neurological surgery, PC. He was recently selected as Doctor of the Decade for 2021 by the International Association of Top Professionals, IAOTP. While inclusion with the International Association of Top Professionals is an honor in itself, only one doctor is selected for this distinction. Dr. Holtzman is being recognized for this honor for dedicating over 40 years as a neurosurgeon and clinical professor. He was honored 2 years in a row at IAOTP's annual awards gala at the Bellagio Hotel in Las Vegas for his selection as a Lifetime Achievement Award recipient, and in 2018 at the Plaza Hotel for his selection as Top Neurosurgeon of the Year. IAOTP is incredibly honored to be able to recognize Dr. Holtzman for his success and dedication. He will receive this distinction at IAOTP's 2021 Annual Awards Gala. Dr. Holtzman is a seasoned and trusted neurosurgeon and clinical professor. He has demonstrated success not only as an attending neurosurgeon for neurological surgery PC, but also as an associate clinical professor in neurosurgery at Columbia University and as a published author and editor. His areas of expertise in neurosurgery include cranial, spinal, and peripheral nerve surgery. They include microdissectomies, spinal decompression with stabilization and fusions, and many intracranial procedures for trauma, tumor, hemorrhages, and blood vessel disorders. Dr. Holtzman's impressive repertoire of prior roles have included attending neurosurgeon at various esteemed scientific institutions such as Mercy Medical Center, South Nassau Communities Hospital, Lenox Hill Hospital, St. Francis Hospital, and NYU Winthrop Hospital. Dr. Holtzman was former chairman of the New York chapter for Jackson Laboratory National Council, and he also co-founded and co-directed the Stonewind Medical Conference with Ronald Winston, which served as a platform for inviting neurosurgeons from all over the world to New York. Dr. Holtzman, along with Mr. Winston, created traveling fellowships for neurosurgery residents through the Harry Winston Research Foundation. Dr. Holtzman earned his BA from Harvard University and received his MD from Columbia University. He is board certified in neurosurgery as well as in psychiatry and neurology. He completed his internship at Harlem Hospital Center and went on to become a resident in neurology at the Neurological Institute of New York, worked as a resident in general surgery at Harbor UCLA Medical Center, and resident in neurosurgery at the Neurological Institute of New York with Columbia University. Throughout his illustrious career, Dr. Holtzman has been active in his community and recognized worldwide for his outstanding leadership and commitment in the field of neurosurgery. He has received many awards, accolades, and has been featured in numerous publications multiple years in a row, such as Marquis Who's Who in America, Who's Who in Medicine and Healthcare, Who's Who in Science and Engineering, Who's Who in Medicine and Healthcare, Who's Who in the East, and Who's Who in the World. In previous years, Dr. Holtzman graced the front cover of TIP, Top Industry Professionals magazine, and was selected for the Lifetime Achievement Award by the International Association of Top Professionals, IAOTP. He was named Top Neurosurgeon of the Year by IAOTP and is the recipient of the Albert Nelson Marquis Lifetime Achievement Award. Dr. Holtzman has also been listed with Castle Connolly's Top Doctors numerous years in a row. As a renowned neurosurgeon, Dr. Holtzman serves as a member of various medical organizations, including the New York Society for Neurosurgery, New York State Neurosurgical Society, American Association of Neurological Surgeons, the Medical Society of the State of New York, and Nassau County Medical Society. Dr. Holtzman was a diplomat of the American Board of Psychiatry and Neurology, Inc., and the American Board of Neurological Surgery as well. In addition to his successful career as a neurosurgeon and educator, Dr. Holtzman is also a sought-after lecturer, speaker, editor, and published author. He has published Endovascular Interventional Neuroradiology and was the editor for The Tethered Spinal Cord, Surgery of the Diencephalon, Surgery of the Spinal Cord, The Potential for the Regeneration and Recovery, and Spinal Instability. Dr. Holtzman was the contributor for The Tethered Spinal Cord, as well as articles to various medical journals and chapters to textbooks of neurosurgery concerning aneurysms of the brain caused by infection and syringomyelia with and without the Chiari malformation. Looking back, Dr. Holtzman attributes his success to his experience, education, mentors he has had the honor of working alongside, and remaining passionate in all his endeavors. Dr. Holtzman says he has been blessed. He loves doing what he is doing and feels this is just the beginning. When he is not working, he enjoys spending time with his family and traveling. In the future, Dr. Holtzman will continue providing his expertise to his field and save lives through his knowledge of neurosurgery. For more information on Dr. Holtzman, please visit www.nspc.com/physician/Robert-Holtzman.